So let's talk about why I run. In the morning, the crack of dawn. When I get out there on the road, it's just me and the pavement, and I'm in my own thoughts. I don't have to worry about job, the work, or anything else that comes along with it. So I start the Strava, I start the timer, and then I just get up and go. It's just me, the pavement, and certainly a goal. Usually it's anywhere from 3 to 5 to 6, 7 miles. But I think more than that goal, there's just a lot of adventure out there. So when I think about it, and I know that there's gonna be a big, long day, and before that happens, I wanna be able to set the tone. But then when I see a beautiful, kind of a majestic view of a sunrise, it's just one of those views that you just, it's here, it's in your head, and it should live there. Down the road, I know these are the times that I'm gonna reflect upon. These are the days that I'm gonna remember.